Today I will show you giant fixed code and rolling code remote control duplicator idle. It can copy 4 different frequency remote control and store in 4 different buttons. I will show you how to copy nice remote control. Firstly, you need to press second and third button at the same time until the LED light on again. Then press any button of idle and press the original remote control which you want to copy until the idle remote control LED keep flash quickly. Then use the idle remote control to work with the nice receiver. See, nice. Press the original receiver then code button. Press the idle remote control button which you have been copied. See, it worked with the original receiver successfully.